say?
I said we've had the grilled cheese burrito, but now they have a spicy one.
They got a spicy double steak grilled cheese burrito. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Okay. Is that burrito on the outside here?
That's the grilled. It's the grilled cheese burrito with jalapeno.
Oh, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're cutting each one in half so you can see the inside. Then we're gonna try it. See if they're any good. All right. Looks like a bunch of rice. I don't see anything else.
No, that's chicken.
No, over here. Look at that side.
I don't know.
And one spicy beef. I'm sorry. I thought you're right.
Because we've already had the grilled cheese burrito before.
Yes. So we'll let you know how they are.
There's the
See
spicy
how they
beef.
look. Oh wow. Yeah. Look at that. Can you get in there? Can you see it? This one's steak.
Steak.
Steak. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. That's called playing with your food. Anyway. Alright, so dropping cheese everywhere. There's cheese falling on it, isn't that crazy? These are the spicy ones. This one's steak and that one's chicken. Let's see if they're really spicy. Well, I've already swallowed it, but still getting warm. Probably no spicier than what they probably put the Diablo sauce on it. That's all I'm thinking. This one. I'm not, uh-oh, this fell off. Here we go. This one is what, chicken? I really think people are afraid to go spicy. Because that's not spicy at all. It's like maybe they're mild or they're hot. Sauce is on there. But I don't feel anything. It's perfectly safe if you want to go with them. They're very delicious, good flavor. I like the steak one better than the chicken, but they did a good job. That's it. We'll see you guys on the next episode.